Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you how I prepare for this new semester. I know I'm a little late, the new semester already started, but I still wanted to make it because I started late and not everyone starts organizing weeks in advance. It is never too late to get organized, so if you haven't started yet like me, then organize along with me, and if you've already organized, then maybe you can get some inspiration from the way I do it. This time I'm going to do everything in Notion. I've been using Notion for the past 2 weeks and I'm in love with it. It is completely customizable, so I can do whatever I want to do. So first I add a page, then give the page a name and an icon. The name I gave is the name of my study, and I'm going to organize everything in this page because I want everything to be at one place. Now let's add the things I want to organize. I want to make my notes from now on in Notion, so let's make that page first. Then a revision schedule, which is the second most important page, and also a page for all the other things. Now I'm going to make a table for my online classes, which I'm also going to turn into a page. Let's give all the pages an emoji because I don't like the sad page icon. Inside my notes page, I'm going to make a list of all the courses I'm taking this semester. And turn it all into pages and give them all emojis, of course. The thing I love about note-taking in Notion is that I can make a Tongo list, which I find super handy. Maybe I'll make another video of how I take notes, but this is how it works. You write something and make a Tongo list out of it, and then you can close and open it to see what's inside of it. So this semester I'm not going to make any more handwritten notes, and let's see how it goes. I am giving all the courses a color to make it a little bit more colorful. Inside the online classes page, I'm going to make a few columns. So first I put the date of the class, the subject, the topic that we're going to handle. In the type column, I can select if the class is live, pre-recorded, or on campus. Then lastly, I'm making two checkboxes to check if I've seen the class and if I have processed it, which means if I have finished taking notes of that topic. So the reason why I want to put this in here is because we have two timetables and I want to combine them inside my own timetable. I'm going to fill up this table for the upcoming 2 weeks, so let's do that real quick. I'm also making a column for the name of the lecturer so that I know how much I need to prepare before going to the lecture. Some of them explain everything very well and some of them don't, and this way I can prevent coming out of the lecture feeling stupid. I'm also going to make a calendar view. For the revision schedule, I'm going to make a few tables. I'm dividing the table in topic, my knowledge of that topic, and I can select between good, average, or bad. I'm making 6 columns for the revision. I revised 3 times for each course, so when I have revised it, I can check it and put the date. And I copy and paste it for each of my courses. Then in other, I'm going to put everything that doesn't need a page on its own, but that I do want to have somewhere and I can find it quickly in this page instead of searching it up every time. I copied the list of courses from the notes page so that it has the same layout, and underneath each course I can put everything that belongs to that course. Here I am searching up how the examination will be so that I can put it in there. I turned it into a callout because it looks cooler. Also, how many hours we have classes and how much I need to study for this course. And I'm also writing down books that I haven't bought yet and that I need to buy so I can remember that I still have to do that. Here I'm putting another call out for a link to a summary from a website called Studoku so I can compare my own notes to others, or if I don't understand something I can read it there. I also made two templates for you guys, the one I just made for the organization of this semester and one that I'm showing you right now. So if you think these templates will be useful for you, then feel free to check out the description box where you can find a link to my templates. Just click on duplicate and it will pop up in your own Notion and you can customize it however you want. It's nothing fancy, I just want it to be functional. I can still put covers and pictures, but for now I like it this way. If you haven't started using Notion yet, don't get discouraged when you are using it. It is a little overwhelming in the beginning, but once you figure out how everything works, it's kind of fun to use. I spent 3 days trying to learn how everything works, and I'm still learning more. Something that really helped me was watching Notion's YouTube channel. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!